Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by actively testing your knowledge. Don't just reread. Try to recall information from memory. Use flashcards or create your own practice questions to challenge yourself. Explaining complex biological concepts out loud, as if teaching someone, significantly boosts retention. This active engagement is far more effective than passive review, helping you identify gaps in your understanding quickly and efficiently. Spaced repetition is a powerful technique for long-term memory. Instead of cramming, review your biology material at gradually increasing intervals. For example, review a topic after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, and so on. This method ensures that information is transferred from short-term to long-term memory, making recall much easier during your test. Biology is highly visual, so leverage that. Draw diagrams of complex processes like cellular respiration or DNA replication from scratch. Create concept maps to link different topics, showing how they relate. This visual approach helps you see the big picture and understand the intricate connections between various biological components, improving your overall comprehension and recall. The final step is consistent practice and application. Solve as many practice questions as possible, including those from previous exams. Try to apply biological principles to everyday situations or hypothetical scenarios. Discussing challenging topics with a study group can also provide new perspectives and reinforce your understanding, ensuring you are well prepared for any question.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.